promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey, it's me, Leah, from my channel, Creative at Home. This week we're doing another craft. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY squishies. They're not as squishy in 3D as regular squishies. I mean, of course the regular squishies are squishier than these, but they are still decently squishy and they're super fun to play with and even more fun to make. So all you need is a piece of paper, some markers, a Sharpie, or you can use colored pencils, packing tape, and you're gonna need some stuffing. I like to use like plastic wrapping, or you can cut up pieces from a Ziploc bag, or you can use pillow stuffing or scrap memory foam, whatever you have around your house. You can also Google other stuff to use inside, but I prefer using like scrap plastic. So I'm gonna try doing a voiceover this week. I'll see how it works, but if you have any tips, let me know in the comments. The comments have been turning on recently. I don't know what's wrong with it, but they randomly turn off, so I'm trying my best to try and turn them on. So if they aren't on, I'm just letting you know, I'm trying my best to turn them on. Also, if you haven't seen, I've been putting a couple cards for my cousin's YouTube channel, DJW2708, in my videos. He does like gaming, Spider-Man, Minecraft, Jurassic World Evolution, all that stuff, and he's doing some live streams. So if you want to check out his channel, I'll put a card on one of these sides. So let's get to the craft, and make sure you subscribe, like, turn notifications on, and read the description because I have a lot of stuff to share with you. Fold a white piece of paper in half. Sketch out a design with either a pencil or a black colored pencil. I decided to use a colored pencil so it would give it a little bit more shadowing. Sketch out whatever design you want, but I just totally drew this random design. It's a turtle sitting in a donut pool float, but you can just draw whatever you want. Outline your drawing with a black Sharpie. This will give it a little more dimension and it'll make it look even more cute, and it'll make your drawing stand out. Color in your design with colored pencils, markers, Sharpies, or you could even use watercolors or paint if you wanted. I decided to use colored pencils because it's easier to do detail work, and I did use this sparkly marker that I've been obsessed with for the frosting. Also, make sure that you do your drawing about an inch away from the fold of the paper. Cover your drawing with a layer of packing tape. This will give it a more smooth feel. Cut around your design, leaving a little slip where the fold is. This is important that you draw your drawing an inch away from the fold. Cover the back with packing tape as well, and make sure that you don't trim any of the packing tape off the edges because you want it to hang off. Cut little slips in the packing tape hanging over the edge. This will make it so that when you fold it over, it'll be easier to fold and seal the edges. Also make sure you leave an amount of space open so that you can fill it. Now you're going to fill the squishy with a stuffing of your choice. I decided to use little plastic wrapping that I have. I just save a bunch of it to use for squishies. You can also use pillow stuffing or scrap memory foam or strips of Ziploc bags, but I like to use plastic stuffing. So you're just going to stuff it in the little hole that you left open with no packing tape. Now repeat the same steps you did with the back of the squishy for the open edge where you stuffed the squishy. So that's all I have for this week. I really hope you liked this squishy that I made, and I think I'm going to name my character Katie, you know, the turtle lounging in a donut pool float. I don't know, totally random. But remember, one of my goals is to get merch. So make sure you tell all of your friends about Creative at Home so we can get merch, because I've been playing around with the Teespring app and I'm really hoping to be able to get merch with all my characters like Juneup and Katie, and also this guy. He's one of my homemade squishies that I made. I kind of like him. He's a panda corn eating cotton candy. I don't know, I'd like him to be a character. So if you'd like to see merch, just tell all your friends. Also, I don't know if you've read the description yet, but I did say down in the description that I will not be posting from March 27th to, I think, April 7th. I don't know, look down in the description for exact dates. I can't exactly remember. But I'm going on vacation and I won't be posting during that time. But if you have any ideas, tell me down in the comments if they're on for ideas you would like to see. I'm hoping to do a premiere when I get back from the vacation, and I will be posting it on Friday. And it's going to be super awesome, aerial hammock, and it's going to be a premiere, so make sure you don't miss that. Okay, so I think that's everything I wanted to tell you. Make sure you read the description, because if I forget to tell you anything, I will say it down in the description. Sorry for scrolling, I like to write a lot of stuff. So, like I said already 2 times, that's all I have for this week, and I will see you hopefully on Monday for a short.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.